The ocean covers most of our planet. It stretches far beyond the horizon, a vast expanse of blue that holds more secrets than we can imagine. From the gentle waves lapping at the shore to the powerful currents that shape our coastlines, the ocean is a dynamic and ever-changing force of nature. It is a place of mystery. Beneath the surface lies a world that is largely unexplored and unknown. The ocean's depths are filled with hidden caves, ancient shipwrecks, and currents that flow like rivers beneath the waves. These underwater landscapes are as varied and complex as the terrain on land, yet they remain shrouded in darkness and mystery. We have explored only a small part. Despite advances in technology, much of the ocean remains a frontier. Submersibles and scuba divers have ventured into the deep, but they have only scratched the surface of what lies beneath. Each dive reveals new wonders and raises new questions about the world below. The deepest parts of the ocean are called the Abyssal Zone. This region, which lies between 3,000 and 6,000 meters below the surface, is one of the most extreme environments on Earth. The Abyssal Zone is characterized by its immense pressure, frigid temperatures, and complete darkness. It is a place where few creatures can survive, yet it is teeming with life. It is a dark and strange world. The pressure is crushing. At these depths, the weight of the water above is immense, exerting a force that would crush most terrestrial organisms. The darkness is absolute, with no sunlight penetrating these depths. It is a world that seems inhospitable, yet it is home to some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. The water is cold and dark. Temperatures in the abyssal zone can drop to near freezing, and the lack of light creates an environment that is both eerie and otherworldly. Despite these harsh conditions, life has found a way to thrive in the deep sea. Yet, life finds a way. Bioluminescent organisms light up the darkness with their own natural glow, creating a mesmerizing display of lights in the deep. These creatures have evolved unique adaptations to survive in an environment where food is scarce and the conditions are extreme. Amazing creatures live in this extreme environment. From the anglerfish with its glowing lure to the giant squid with its enormous eyes, the deep sea is home to a variety of bizarre and wonderful organisms. Each species has developed its own strategies for finding food, avoiding predators, and reproducing in the depths. They have adapted to survive. These adaptations include bioluminescence, specialized feeding mechanisms, and the ability to withstand high pressure. Studying these creatures can provide insights into the limits of life on Earth and the potential for life on other planets. Learning about them helps us understand our planet better. Marine biologists and researchers are constantly discovering new species and uncovering the secrets of the deep sea. Their work not only expands our knowledge of the ocean, but also helps us understand the broader processes that shape our planet. By studying the extreme environments of the deep sea, we can gain a better understanding of the resilience of life and the interconnectedness of all ecosystems. Sunlight cannot reach the deep ocean. The ocean's depths are shrouded in perpetual darkness, a stark contrast to the sunlit surface waters. This vast, dark expanse is known as the abyssal zone, where the absence of light creates a unique and mysterious environment. This means there are no plants. Without sunlight, photosynthesis is impossible, and thus, no plant life can thrive here. The ocean floor is barren, devoid of the lush vegetation found in shallower waters. This lack of plant life significantly impacts the food chain and the types of organisms that can survive in this harsh environment. Animals here have to find other ways to survive. The creatures of the deep ocean have adapted to the extreme conditions in fascinating ways. They have evolved unique features and behaviors to cope with the darkness, pressure, and scarcity of food. These adaptations are crucial for their survival in such an inhospitable place. They eat dead things that fall from above. This phenomenon is known as marine snow, a continuous shower of organic material falling from the upper layers of the ocean. It consists of dead plants, animals, and other debris, providing a vital source of nutrients for deep-sea organisms. This slow, steady rain of detritus sustains many creatures in the abyssal zone, or they hunt other animals. Predation is another survival strategy in the deep ocean. Many deep-sea creatures are skilled hunters, using their keen senses and specialized adaptations to capture prey. Some have large, sharp teeth and powerful jaws, while others use stealth and camouflage to ambush their targets. Some animals create their own light. This is called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is a remarkable adaptation that allows organisms to produce light through chemical reactions within their bodies. This light can be used for various purposes, such as attracting mates, luring prey, or deterring predators. The deep ocean is home to a dazzling array of bioluminescent creatures, each with its own unique glow. The deep ocean is a silent world. The stillness of the abyssal zone is profound, with only the occasional sound of a distant creature breaking the silence. This quiet environment is a stark contrast to the bustling, noisy surface waters. Sounds don't travel far in the water. In the deep ocean, sound waves are absorbed and scattered by the dense water, making it difficult for sounds to travel long distances. This means that communication and navigation for deep-sea creatures rely heavily on other senses. Animals rely on other senses to find food and mates. In the absence of light and limited sound, deep-sea creatures have developed heightened senses of touch, taste, and smell. Some use sensitive antennae or whisker-like structures to detect vibrations and chemical signals in the water, helping them locate food and potential mates in the darkness. The deep ocean remains one of the most mysterious and least explored places on Earth. Its unique conditions have led to the evolution of some of the most extraordinary and bizarre life forms. Scientists continue to study this enigmatic world, uncovering new species and gaining insights into the adaptability of life in extreme environments. The deep ocean's secrets are slowly being revealed, but much remains to be discovered in this vast, dark frontier. The anglerfish is a famous deep-sea creature. It has a special adaptation. A lure hangs in front of its mouth. This lure glows in the dark. The glow attracts prey. When a fish gets close, the anglerfish attacks. Its mouth is huge. It can swallow prey larger than itself. Male anglerfish are much smaller than females. They attach themselves to the females. The giant squid is one of the largest animals on Earth. It can grow longer than a bus. Its eyes are as big as dinner plates. Giant squid live in the deep ocean. They are rarely seen alive. We know about them from their remains. Sometimes they wash up on shore, or they are found in the stomachs of sperm whales. Deep-sea jellyfish are beautiful and strange. They come in many shapes and sizes. Some have long tentacles, while others have short, stubby ones. Many deep-sea jellyfish can glow. They use light to attract prey, or they use it to scare off predators. Deep-sea jellyfish are an important part of the food chain. They eat small animals, and they are eaten by larger ones. Life in the deep ocean is tough. Animals have adaptations to survive. The pressure is intense. Deep-sea creatures have special bodies, so they don't get crushed. Some animals are transparent, which helps them hide from predators. Others have large eyes to see in the dim light. The deep ocean is a challenging place to live, but these animals are proof that life finds a way. The deep ocean might seem far away, but it's important to all of us. The deep ocean is a mysterious and vast part of our planet, covering more than 60% of the Earth's surface. It is a world that remains largely unexplored, yet it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It helps regulate our climate. The ocean's currents act like a global conveyor belt, distributing heat around the planet and influencing weather patterns. These currents are driven by the differences in water temperature and salinity, creating a complex and dynamic system that affects everything from the monsoons in Asia to the hurricanes in the Atlantic. It provides us with food. The ocean is a vital source of sustenance for millions of people around the world. From the small-scale fishermen who rely on the sea for their daily catch to the large commercial fleets that supply our supermarkets, the bounty of the ocean is essential for our survival. Fish and other marine creatures are not only a source of protein, but also provide essential nutrients that are crucial for our health. And it's home to countless species. The deep ocean is teeming with life, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are among the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. They provide habitat and shelter for nearly a quarter of all marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. The deep ocean is part of a delicate balance. This intricate web of life is interconnected, with each species playing a role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. The loss of even a single species can have a ripple effect, disrupting the balance and leading to unforeseen consequences. What happens there affects the whole planet. The health of the ocean is directly linked to the health of our planet. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are putting immense pressure on marine ecosystems, threatening the delicate balance that has been maintained for millions of years. We need to protect this unique environment. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving the ocean's biodiversity and ensuring that future generations can continue to benefit from its resources. Marine protected areas, sustainable fishing practices, and reducing plastic pollution are just a few of the ways we can help safeguard the ocean. For the sake of the creatures that live there, many marine species are now endangered due to human activities. Protecting their habitats and reducing our impact on the ocean is essential for their survival. By taking action, we can help ensure that these incredible creatures continue to thrive, and for the health of our planet. A healthy ocean means a healthy planet. By working together to protect and preserve the deep ocean, we can help maintain the delicate balance that supports all life on Earth. Our actions today will determine the future of our oceans and, ultimately, the future of our planet. Deep-sea creatures might seem strange, but they are important. They could hold the key to new discoveries. Scientists are studying their unique adaptations. They are learning about new medicines. They are finding new ways to build things. The deep ocean is full of potential. We are just beginning to understand it. It is important to protect this valuable resource. The ocean is facing many threats. Pollution, climate change, and overfishing are putting pressure on marine life. We need to act now to protect our oceans. We can all do our part. We can reduce our use of plastic. We can support sustainable seafood, and we can educate others about the importance of ocean conservation. The deep ocean is a mysterious and wonderful place. It is home to creatures beyond our imagination. We have a responsibility to protect this unique environment. We need to explore the ocean responsibly. We need to conserve its resources. The future of the ocean depends on us. Let's work together to ensure that these hidden wonders are preserved for generations to come.